Happy May, Inner Circle Kid Club members. This is your update for this lovely May month. As a reminder, your orders for this month are due on May 25th. So the 25th of every month is the cutoff for delivery for that month. We always start shipping on the 26th or the next business day, and it takes us about 5 or 6 business days to get all of those Inner Circle Kit Club orders out the door. Now, if you place an order in May and it's placed before the 25th, you will automatically receive in your shipment this exclusive title die cut for the month. So nothing you need to do, this will automatically come in your order. Now, if you would like to take this title die cut that you're going to receive as part of your membership fee, and if you would like to convert it into a 2-page spread, new this year, we offer a supplemental kit for that. So again, this will automatically come in your shipment. But if you would like to convert it, here is the supplement. So you can see down there in the corner where it's that exclusive title die cut, and there is one side of the spread, and then here is the other side of the spread. So that is a supplemental page kit. So you're welcome to order this online. Realize that it is a supplement. So the kit itself won't include this title, as that will be bagged all on its own, included in that order. The reason I say that, because you are welcome to go back and order January to April's supplemental page kits as well. But realize this is the title die cut that you will receive with this month's orders. So if you're going back to previous months, if you weren't a member during that month, you're still welcome to order it. Just know that you'll also need to order that title die cut in order to complete that spread in its entirety, because this is only going to be a supplement and in missing that title die cut. But we thought that was a fun new thing to add for this year. So that way it's a very inexpensive way to get the most bang for your buck with your membership fee. Also, every single month, and I have been doing this almost now since, let's see, about 14 years, I'm going to say. Every single month, we design what I call a traditional monthly page. So it is a page themed to that month. So this is May's design, again, available to our Inner Circle Kit Club members. This is a 2-page spread. The other side is out of production, so I don't have that side to show you, but this is a 2-page spread, and this would be for May because April showers bring Mayflowers, correct? You'll notice for this year, every single one of our traditional monthly page kits all have the banner and the title, so that way your entire album would coordinate if you are buying them all consecutively and using that as your 2024, 2025, whatever year it may be wrap up. We do make those to all coordinate. Of course, you can leave that word May off and you can convert this to absolutely any theme that you would like that to be. Maybe it's your flower garden, maybe it's some beautiful bouquet of flowers, so it could be very versatile as well. So that is the traditional spread for Kit Club members this month. We also do a 2-page Disney every month, and this is themed to those fun Disney emotions. I love the movie Inside Out. And if you go, especially with children, you probably experience all of these emotions all in one day, right? Maybe if you have a little girl, you might experience all of those emotions in about the series of 30 minutes. So she has a really fun meet and greet at Epcot. So I thought, what a great nod to that movie. Of course, we do have 2 coming out as right. Well, you know, Inside Out 2. Again, there's a great photo op at Epcot with Joy, or this could be in general, just your joyful day at Disney. So again, hopefully it's one of those that's pretty versatile with all of your Disney photos for the month. And last but not least, also every single month this year, we have included a Disney title as part of those exclusive designs offered only to members. Members, don't forget to be logged in. That way you can see the purchase button. And of course, it will give you the free shipping as well, because as a member, you never pay shipping on any order, no matter the size, no matter how many times you order the month, you never pay shipping. So this is this month's Disney title, and this is Fantasyland, because we have been doing all of the lands at Disney as part of our series for our Disney die cuts for our members this year. You can also get this die cut with 5 sheets of coordinating pattern paper. So I've hand selected 5 different pattern papers from different companies that I think go perfectly with this title. So if you struggle maybe picking out pattern papers, that's a great way to get that bundled. So you can purchase it just as a die cut or as a die cut with coordinating pattern papers. Thank you so much for being members. I love hearing all your ideas. I love seeing all your pages once they have all of the photos added. Keep those suggestions coming. Thank you for being an Inner Circle Kit Club member, and happy scrapping.